Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Maglumi Total 3-4 CLIA. This kit is used to do quantitative determination of total thyroxine T4 in human serum and plasma, used to do assess thyroid function and aid in diagnosing hyper and hypothyroidism. It runs on Snibe Maglumi CLIA analysis to detect thyroid. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Here we can see the product name Maglumi Total 3-4. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml displacing solution, 9.5 ml buffer, 9.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml API label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130253002M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see this is C certificate IVD product. This pictorial representation shows one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. This kit maintain the temperature. The temperature of this kit should be maintained between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 100 tests using this reagent kit. Over here we can see this product is manufactured from China. So the origin of this kit is China. Here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall representation of this product. Now we can see the other angles. This is a top view. In the side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe. On this side we can see the product name Maglumi Total 3-4. The reference number of this kit 130253002M. Then lot number, then expiry date. This is overall representation of this kit. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unboxing we can see the first product is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Here we can see Maglumi Total 3-4 CLIA. This kit contains intent use, summary, test principle, reagent, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability. These are the stuff this instruction kit contains. We'll keep this aside. And next one is a reagent seal, provide total of 3 nozzles. Here we can see total 3-4. And next one is a control stickers, total of 8 nozzles. The first 4 one is total 3-4 control 1. The second 4 is total 3-4 control 2. So far 8 control stickers. And next one is control solutions packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacked we can see clearly the white color cap is control 1 and red color cap is control 2. I am taking this one. Here we can see Maglumi volume of 1 ml, total 3-4 control 1. And next one is the red color cap. Here we can see Maglumi volume of 1 ml, total 3-4 control 2. So I am going to keep this aside. And the final one is Maglumi Total 3-4. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml displacing solution, 9.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml API label. This is a front view. This is a back view. I am going to keep this aside. Now we are going for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe Maglumi Total 3-4. This kit contains one instruction manual, 3 nozzles of reagent seal, 8 nozzles of control stickers. There are 2 controls, control 1 and control 2. Then reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 5.5 ml displacing solution, 9.5 ml buffer, 6.5 ml API label. This is an overall view. Thank you.